Yo, what is good, guys? How we doing? Welcome back to another trade recap. A little bit of a baby face right now to start February. Is what it is. February 2nd, Monday. Here's my plan. Let's just dive into our plan as we always do. Talk about the plan, talk about the bias I had, and see how it played out. As you can probably see by the title, we had a good day, but let's read the bias. So into today, like I said, I was focusing on NQ with a bullish bias. We had clear draws higher with cross confirmation of VWAP and EMAs. Obviously, I thought the higher time frame clearly wants to go higher here. We had a really nice pull down, as you can see from this picture here. You can see, obviously took this low with confidence to start the month. Nice run down. And you can see really nice V-shaped recovery starting this morning before the market. And I wanted to honestly see this continue into this like 25, 670, 700 area. That's exactly what we did. We're still going higher. But yeah, we were down about 0.5% at that point. We were trading directly into a bearish 30-minute gap. That was really it for really reasons to be bearish. And we absolutely destroyed that at open with our first trade. Caught a really nice piece, and just continuation. Really, very strong. Felt the market strength watching pre-market, watching those first few candles. So checks out. And structure-wise, like I said, I think we have a few clear draws to the upside. There were 3 or 4 draws to the upside, with about 1 to the downside. And obviously, we have that government shutdown in the next few days that we're monitoring. I think it's going to get cleared up pretty quickly. But yeah, let's talk about what we did today. So you guys can obviously see right on the 4-hour. Let's take everything off here. So I was seeing on the 4-hour. You guys kind of saw me see that or say that in the plan there. There's that 30-minute gap that I mentioned. I don't know why this is like this, but there's a 30-minute gap here that I was worried about into open. Obviously right here, not too big. I don't know why this has a gap. Anyway, but yeah, that's what that looks like. This was the Sunday night. Friday. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, Sunday night gap. Sorry about that. That gap already got filled and everything last night, and then we had the nice V-shaped recovery like I talked about. So that's what I saw there. And then as far as our draws on liquidity, these were them. We're going for that last draw. It looks like Friday's highs right now. Asia high was my first draw. That was the draw that we traded to on our first trade. And these were continuation draws that I'm not surprised we're taking out. But yeah, let's talk about what I took. So if you look right here, you can see this is the first trade we took for this morning. Again, into this 30-minute gap, I really wasn't too worried. We got really good accumulation here on the 2-minute into open. All we did was accumulate. I had clear draws on liquidity. You guys can see I was only risking about 25 points here, 2.7 R, and we literally hit TP. I want to say within like 45 seconds. Yeah, I mean we made about 1.5 in literally a minute and a half. Pretty crazy. It was a really clean trade. 70 points. We impulsed about 100? Yeah, about 100 instantly in the first like 2-minute candle. And then pulled down a little, went a little higher, pulled down a bit, and then just kept continuing. So that was a banger. That's a really good trade. Did not copy trade that actually. Just one account, but either way, I mean, it was beautiful. And then here you have this really nice 30-second model. So this was when we took out those higher draws in liquidity. We took out those second and third draws that I showed you. I took this small short. All I did here, we started to solidify this area. All I did on the 15-second, 30-second, I was just looking for a little slight move down. That is exactly what we got. Literally, so we had a little downtrend here. We got some good structure, no 30-second or too much 1-minute trouble. We entered this trade. Again, very low risk idea. 2 micros, just looking for consistency day on 2 accounts. So we hit this trade was about 155 times 2. You can see on the 2-minute here, all we did was target to an EMA pullback, 2-minute EMA or 2-minute FEG with the EMA 8 as well as the 5-minute. That was a key area, 5-minute gap. I just wanted to see us trade lower for a pullback. Yes, we went higher. I didn't really care if we went higher, but I was just looking for a simple pullback. And you can see on the 1-minute here, really good executions. Continued to reject those highs. We got our 30-second gap that protected our stop. So you can see we respected this area very well. And yeah, we tapped right into that. Got our downtrend, got some good moves. We got under the EMA here. This was our equal low, internal low that you could have went break even at if you wanted to. I was okay with my risk. I didn't feel the need to really go break even just because I wasn't risking that much. We almost would have gotten break even stopped if we did go break even, but I knew where I wanted to see us trade to. We hit TP, went a little lower. I guess went about 20 points lower from where we targeted. Swept that really hard with those 10 a.m. data candles, and then went right back up. So that was a trading day, 2-0. Pretty straightforward, I want to say. You guys know my higher time frame thoughts. LR, low resistance liquidity run today. Really had no higher time frame gaps preventing us from going up. We have clear draws in liquidity, 3 to 4 draws there. Bullish, just find your entry. Found our entry open. Actually caught a small short piece as you see here, but easily could have longed this 2-minute, 5-minute gap, EMA 8s. VWAP still trading below. Easily could have blown that right back up, but I was happy with the day. I didn't feel a need. 2 wins in a row. There's no reason to take a third trade, in my opinion. But yeah, really clean executions. Again, the bullish bias, the strong move up today, going from down 0.5% to up 0.6% now does not surprise me. And yeah, really clean session. So let's continue to have more of these. I have more YouTube and WAP videos coming, of course, for the Inner Circle and my YouTube fam. Almost at 100 subscribers. Really appreciate you guys. And yeah, that's going to be all. I appreciate you guys. God bless and peace out.